Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to achieve beautiful, crusty, crunchy peanut at home. You're going to need some water, so I do have water in here, salt, and of course your peanut. I'm actually going to wash my peanuts. I'm going to take half of it. Add the salt to taste. I don't like mine to have too much salt, so about this much, half a teaspoon should be enough. Dilute the salt as much as you can. Add the salted water to the peanut. Add it in a way that is going to touch all the peanut. There you go. I'm going to let that sit for about 10 minutes so that the salt can penetrate the peanuts. It's not going to be too salty, it's just a little bit of salt. So 10 minutes later, the peanuts are ready to be roasted. We're going to roast this at 250 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes and don't let it burn. I have already salted my peanuts. I'm going to be using some Gari. If you're African, you know what Gari is. It's pretty much cassava. I'm going to add the Gari in the pot, just a little bit. You don't want this to burn, so I'm just going to wait until the Gari is a little bit warm. When it's warm to the touch, then I'm going to add my peanut. My Gari is warm to the touch. I am going to go ahead and add my peanut, and we're just going to stir this until it's ready. So now we're going to stir this until it's cooked. The peanuts are ready. If you want yours a little darker, you can go ahead and do that. It's very hot, so but here's the color of the peanut now. Oof, it's hot. So I'm going to remove it from here and I'm going to let it cool down. Don't leave it in the pot. If you leave it in the pot, it's going to continue cooking. Here you go. I'm going to let it cool down now. I'm going to remove the skin. So this is the one that was roasted in the pan. here is the one that was roasted in the oven. Here are the final products of my roasted peanuts. So this was roasted on the stove in a pan with Gari, and I removed the skin. This one was roasted in the oven. I personally like mine with the skin, especially the taste. It tastes so good with the skin, so that's why I left one with the skin and one without the skin. This one is best eaten with Gari. I love Gari with peanut. When you drop some peanut in there, oh my god, it's so good. The reason why I don't like the one with the skin in the Gari is because once it touches the water, the skin comes off, and I don't like that. Comment down below which one of these two methods is your favorite, and also if you like your peanut with the skin or without the skin. Thank you for watching.